In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the most upselling market, the beauty and the skincare industry. कौन सी products use करने चाहिए? What is the best skincare routine and how can you achieve the perfect glow or the glass skin that we all मन में तो desire करते ही हो. So in today's episode, I have my own dermat who has been treating me for more than 5 years now and has helped me get my skin from this to this. So here with me, I have Dr. Gayatri Bharawaj, who is the senior cosmetic dermatologist, and she's been practicing for more than 30 years, and she is here to break all the myths and the misconceptions that we have in our head in achieving the perfect glow. So welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
So according to you, what is the best skincare routine? Like मैंने सुना है you have 10-step skincare routine. Is it all true?
I think this is all hyped, and I don't think everyone it's possible, to have so many steps, and it's actually not required. The basic skincare will be maximum 2 or 3 steps. I mean, essential ones. Like the first one is the face wash twice a day. Then there will be a sunscreen when you're going out, and you can combine it with a moisturizer in case you don't want too many products to be applied on the face, or sometimes we have sunscreen with foundation. Those also can be used. And the last is the retinoid, which is the most important. So the night retinoid is the most important. So these 3 things. And then there are other products which can be added depending on what type of skin condition you have. If you have acne, if you have pigmentation, if you have wrinkles, uneven skin tone, increased sweating on the face. So it depends on that. The other products can be added. But the basic skincare should consist only of 2 or 3 items. That is enough.
Okay. So I travel a lot. And do you think traveling skincare as well as home skincare should be different, or should it be like one only?
It has to be definitely different because when you're traveling, first of all, you cannot carry so many items. Secondly, when you're traveling, you're exposed to pollution and dust and the sun, and depends what are your working conditions where you're traveling. So accordingly, you have to carry the products. But the minimum products you can carry is one is the face wash, and second one is I've developed one waterless face wash. The benefits of that is you don't need water. It is a sanitizer. It is anti-sweating, so it can be applied on the hands and on the face. So you don't need water also, and it is anti-sweating. So you can apply that to clean your face, and if possible, a retinoid. So these 3 basic skincare you can do when you're traveling. At home, when you are there, you can be more elaborate, and depending on your skin concerns, you can use different products.
How can you choose? The next question that I have is, how can you choose the best sunscreen? Like, there are a lot in market, and I don't know which to choose. What to look for when we are looking for
Yeah, see, the sunscreens, now the market is flooded with sunscreens. And you definitely will need the help of a dermatologist to help you choose a best sunscreen which will suit you depending upon your skin concerns and your activities. If you are outdoors, you need a higher SPF with anti-pollution. If you have, depending on your skin condition, if you have a oily skin, you need a matte finish. If you have acne-prone skin, then there are sunscreens which have anti-acne ingredients in that. Then there are those who have dry, mature skin will have a moisturizing sunscreen. Those people who have blemishes, uneven, or they want a foundation-based sunscreen, those are also very good. So, there are different combinations. If you want to apply for the body, then you can apply lotions. Then there are even spray and mist forms. So, and depending on your activity, if you're at home and you're too much on the light, then you require blue light protection sunscreen. So sunscreen with all these ingredients, a wide spectrum sunscreen also can be used. With chemical sunscreens are there, then there are physical sunscreens. When a foundation is added, that means you are adding another physical sunscreen. So it gives an additional benefit besides giving a even tone.
I initially thought applying sunscreen with a foundation combo is not good. So that means it is good.
It is good, but it depends on what type of skin you have. Now, foundations are also of 2 types. There are greasy foundations, there are matte finish foundations. So, depends on your skin type you have to use. Otherwise, your acne, you'll get an acne breakout if your skin is acne prone.
Is food and your gut health, all of that related to your skincare problems? Like acne and all?
Acne in certain conditions, dairy products have been proven to be exaggerating the acne, but it's not in everyone. So you can do a trial and see, avoid the dairy products for 7 days and see if your acne reduces. Otherwise, there are some patients whose acne worsens with sweet products. Then there are some patients who say the acne worsens with oily products, but these things are not proven. And definitely you need a balanced diet, you have to have salads and vegetables and pulses and drink 2-3 liters of water, not only water, any fluids. So all a balanced diet is definitely required for a good glowing skin.
So 1 week test for checking if milk products are causing skin breakout or acne, and even check if I can have sweet. I can stop sweet for a week and see if my skin is giving better results.
Exactly.
So 1 week
you
is
have
enough?
to, yes.
Okay.
In 1 week you can try and see and stop that particular ingredient what you have in your mind and see if it's improving your skin complexion. Otherwise you can continue using. Most of the time, sometimes it is psychological also.
Bachpan se I have heard neem removes pimples. I have been using curd and haldi for removing my tan. Papaya lagao, glow aayega. Can natural products substitute for creams, like the cosmetic creams, or I mean, is it true or a myth?
I think instead of applying them on the face, it will be more healthy if you eat them. So, because turmeric has certain ingredients in that which if you apply and go outside in the sun, or if that haldi remains on your face and if there is sun exposure, in fact, it darkens your skin. So, even curds, in fact, they're very good for health. So, you should have them instead of applying on the skin. It will worsen your acne breakout. So, and whatever active ingredients are there in these things, they are taken in proper concentration, they are isolated and formulated in the cosmetic products or therapeutic products to give you the desired results. So I wouldn't prefer that you experiment with these things. And in fact, I've got a lot of patients who get side effects by using these things. Especially besan is has shown to cause folliculitis, boils on the face, and it doesn't suit everyone.
Okay, so I have, like in a few years ago, I used to apply sheet masks, and the glow, there's no glow I get, but people and the market is selling a lot of sheet masks and people apply it. Is it actually worth it, or is just a scam?
It is, see, there are certain sheet masks now available with the active ingredients. So they might give you results, but it is temporary. It just makes you feel good, and it's it's not a substitute for the other products that you're using. So if you have time, you can go ahead and do that, but it's really not that beneficial.
Okay, so everybody now wants to look good. Now I don't know, it's because of it too much of social media. Like everybody looks pretty, or I don't know what, but everybody wants to look good, and we all desire to have like Bollywood wali skin, the clear and the glowing and the glass skin. Are there any treatments that we as common people can afford and take that Bollywood celebrities also do?
First of all, I think it is a myth that the actresses and the celebrities have a very good skin. It is all because of their makeup and the filters that they use. So, you should not get carried away with these things. In fact, we have better skin than them. If you go to see them practically without makeup, then it's really a different altogether situation. But to maintain your skin, if you take some treatments which have therapeutic value and which will improve your skin texture, then definitely you should do. And they're quite affordable. And instead of buying expensive clothes, I think people should spend something more on their skincare and the treatments, so that because that is what they are wearing all the time. Like now we have a hydra treatments. So in a hydra treatment, what happens is with a solution we do skin polishing, remove the dead layers of the skin, and then we infuse active ingredients with ultrasound or mesotherapy. So it gives very good results. And then there are sprays of vitamin C, so it hydrates the skin and it gives a good glow. So these combination treatments are very good. And depending on your skin concerns, like if you have a function, then like carbon peeling, yeah, laser toning, that also gives a good glow on the skin. So these treatments can be done. And if you have certain concerns like scars, then mesotherapy and derma rollers, RF, radio frequency, and all these treatments are there. Depending on your skin conditions, accordingly the treatments can be done. And they're very much affordable nowadays because they give permanent results.
And how regularly can we do these treatments?
It depends on your skin, what your concern is. Treatments can be done every
Like
10
the
days.
Hydra facial, for example.
That can be done every 20 days or every 10 days if a chemical peel, if you want faster results. Or for maintenance, you can do it once a month or once in 3 months. If you have if your skin becomes rough and it is very thick, then diamond polishing also helps. You can do it every month also. Some people get blackheads and their pores are getting blocked. They have a tendency for milia formation. Then they should go for exfoliation treatments, and even maintenance with creams is also important, of course, at home.
After the facial.
Yes, it is not just that you do the treatment and the skin doesn't remain lifelong in the same condition. It's not like I always tell my patients, it's not like a wall, where we do plastering and painting. It's the skin keeps growing, changing. So you have to do maintenance. You have to maintain the results what we give after treatment with daily use products. There is another procedure which I feel is very important, which people do, is laser hair reduction, which is excessive hair growth on the face. Nowadays, that is very common and that is very important, which everyone does. And in the long run, it is cost effective because in 4-5 sittings there is a hair reduction, and definitely it will improve your skin complexion.
And it's safe, like laser?
It is very safe,
Okay.
depending upon who is doing it and which machines are used and how trained the technician is.
Okay, so now you've explained like we have hydra therapy and stuff like that. Versus we have facials at parlors as well. So there is a facial at a parlor and there's a facial at a dermat. I have seen a difference. Facials at dermat at parlors never suit my skin. But okay, that's my skin type. But is it, and why is a dermat like why the facials at dermat's place better than the ones in parlor? Is it true? Like, is it better?
It is definitely better because here we are using treatment products to give you the results. So it is not just feel good, just doing massaging with any creams. And depending on your skin type, we will use those products. Otherwise, I've seen people coming with a florid full of acne, after doing some facials. So facials and massage cannot be done in every patient. And it depends what is your skin condition. Accordingly, we use the products, and the concentration of the products also varies depending on your skin type. So here while doing the treatments, there is a therapeutic value. So depending on your skin, what conditions, blemishes. So we do a combination of sometimes we use chemical peels with active ingredients, and we infuse active ingredients, serums. So naturally, it will give you a longer lasting result than the treatments done in a parlor.
I recently got introduced to IV therapy, वो glutathione wala therapy, and I have read a lot about it. It says it's good for the glow of the skin and skin lightening also. How safe is it? How regularly do you take it? Is it cost effective? And like, I just want to know, and I want people also to know about this IV.
People do come and ask for IV glutathione, and this glutathione does work. It will give you an overall glow, but as long as you take it, the glow lasts. It has to be maintained with tablets or once a month therapy. Usually, what is recommended is once a week the IV glutathione is given, and there are various milligrams. We give 600 to 5,000 depending at one sitting, depending on how the patient is. And it has to be done in a safe place where, in case a patient goes into shock, then we have to have all the injections ready to revive the patient. So it cannot be done just like that in any parlor or without the supervision of a doctor or nurse who knows how to handle this. These reactions can occur, even if they occur very rarely. You have to be prepared for that. So, but otherwise, they are quite safe, and long-term benefits are not there. So patients are taking IV for various other conditions also, to give you energy boost or to get over a hangover or to have a diet for weight loss, for glow, for rejuvenation. So there are various combination of IVs available now.
And all of them are effective.
They are effective. You have to take every week at least 4-5 sittings, and then you can make them every 10 days. Sometimes, if required, we can even give them twice a week. But minimum 10 sittings are required.
So in short, there are IVs for different requirements now.
Yes, there are different ingredients, and they help you boost and give you energy faster and give results faster because they're directly infused in your blood.
One more thing I've seen in market getting sold a lot, which I also felt like buying, is seeing products where of oral collagen. So they put it in water and drink it like a pinkish water, and then it says that it helps in collagen rebuilding and again leading to glow and all of it. So are the products that are sold in market, or it's again a scam?
I don't know, but you have to see from where the collagen is sourced, and who is the manufacturer and how authentic it is, because the market is flooded with a lot of things and all may not give the results. And it is also questionable. It is not exactly proven that, the results can be achieved in each and every one. It depends on the person also. But it's no harm in taking collagen. It is supposed to give you a hydrated and elastic skin and a glow also. You can definitely give it a try, but it should be a good a recommended collagen by a dermatologist who knows the ingredients and the contents of it. And usually all these are marine collagens. And veg collagens, what are there in the market, they help you to stimulate your own body collagens. So they're not, you don't have a plant-based collagen. So it will only stimulate your own body collagen. So that is also fine.
Okay, this may be a debatable topic, but what are the kind of products or things that are sold in market which you are aware are proper scams?
There are products like, too much hyped, like vitamin C, hyaluronic, niacinamide. They may be effective, but the price range is really outrageous because it's really not worth. The price is because of the packaging mainly. Actually, the products should not be so expensive.
So, jitna expensive product, utna better.
No, it's definitely not that way. The expensive products are mainly because of the packaging, I feel.
And the brand.
And the branding and all that, it goes into that. But the efficacy doesn't match that price. Mostly what they cause is a good moisturizer effect and slightly detaining effect, but it's not that effective. And but what is most important is the retinoids. Retinoids are very important along with the combination with peptides. So they give a good glow on the skin. They help in skin rejuvenation. So everyone, what my message would be, that everyone should use a retinoid at night, because that gives for maintenance also it is very good, and it helps in maintaining a good skin.
You have always told me.
Yes.
At night, right?
At night, retinoids are always to be used. And if you are using a retinoid at night, then morning always use a sunscreen, because the new skin that is come, that needs to be protected. Otherwise, again, you'll get tanning and damage your skin.
I and everybody on the internet is obsessed with the Korean glass skin. And Korean skincare has entered India market. So I have seen again people promote a lot about Korean skincare, Korean facials or something. Again, is this something by which we can achieve Korean glass skin?
Actually, to have a Korean glass skin, you need Korean parents.
Okay.
And what you can achieve is a good glowing skin, a hydrated skin. You need a good hydration that will give you the glow and shine. So
But they have,
whatever,
like, stiff, very beautiful skin.
yes, but that is genetic.
Yeah.
So you can achieve a good healthy skin. That should be your target, not a Korean skin.
Yeah. This is like the last round that I'll have. Quick questions, if it's a myth or a fact. The higher the SPF in the sunscreen, the more the protection. Is it true?
Yes, actually it is true. And to achieve a higher SPF, you don't need a higher SPF sunscreen having a higher SPF. If you have a 50 SPF, if you apply it twice, it becomes 100. So it gives you a double protection. And you can repeat the sunscreen after 2-3 hours, so that will give you additional benefits.
Okay. Second is food-based products. Like there are brands, coffee scrubs, strawberry something something. So are food-based products good?
I think they're better, more effective if ingested than applied on the skin.
Does pimple patch work on the skin and people break their pimple? I've seen people do that. So is it good? I've heard it's not. So
Breaking a pimple is a extremely bad thing because it will leave scars and marks and pigmentation. So never do that. But those acne spots which are available, they are effective if you're going out and if you have a red pimple. So and they're medicated. So while going out, you can use them.
pimple patch.
Yes, pimple patches can be used.
And the last question that I have is, does fairness cream work? मुझे गोरा होना है तो मैंने fairness cream खरीद ली and am I going to get fair?
If you use OTC products, then you have to be extremely careful because they have steroids. They do give you quick results, but they have a lot of side effects. So if you want skin lightening products, you should ask a dermatologist because there are skin lightening products which are safe, and there are some products which can be used long term. But never use OTC without knowing the contents because most of them undoubtedly have steroids in them.
So
And sometimes products like mercury, arsenic are also there, which are very harmful, but they give you instant brightening. So, such formulations are flooded in the market.
So in short, when we see something on the internet, we don't have to buy that. We have to consult a your dermat or the trusted dermat you trust, and then only use the products.
Yes, because that is now very important since the market is flooded with so many cosmetics and we don't know the formulations and what they are using. So, if you want to take real good care of your skin, just consult a dermatologist once and understand your skin type and what type of products are required to keep your skin in a good condition.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I keep visiting her at least twice a month. So I will have her answer all your queries. And I will see you later. Bye.
Thank you.